How to create a repeated gradient in Photoshop. Go to the rectangular marquee tool, press M and create a selection and just drag across. And I'm just going to go for about that size right across the document. Then press G for the gradient tool. You've got gradient tool there, and I'm going to use linear. So go for linear and use this gradient or any other gradient. Go to the top of that selection and drag downwards and then release. And now you've got your gradient. It's not repeated, of course, at this point. But what you need to do is define it as a pattern. So go to Edit and down here, Define Pattern. And that will be stored away in the pattern presets. Click OK. Obviously give it a name, etc. And then go to Select and Deselect, or use Command or Control D. Then go to Edit and Fill. So Edit and Fill and go with Pattern for the contents. Select the custom pattern, so I'm selecting this one. And then Script. Make certain it's brick fill. You've got a number of options, but brick fill is the one you want, and click OK. Set the pattern scale to 1, spacing to 0, offset 100%, and 0 and 0 and 0 for the others. Then click OK, and there you have your design. You can also manipulate it further. You can apply effects. So go to Filter, maybe go to Distort and Wave. And you can go down here, number generators 1, sine, wavelength about 409, 224 for the amplitude, wrap around, click OK. And you've got a lovely waved gradient design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.